So in this video, I'm going to show you a YouTube keyword research tool that you can use to find great keywords to base your YouTube video on. This tool is free to use, and it's the best one in my opinion. It's called vidIQ, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So step number one is to go to this page right here. I will leave a link in the description to make it easier for you. Once you're here, you're going to create an account. When you sign up, you're going to be at this page right here. This is the dashboard. The next step is to click on keywords right over here. The first thing you're going to want to do is think of a keyword related to your channel, and then type it in the box right here. I'm going to use AI as an example. So here you have the search volume of the keyword, and right here is a competition score. Now based on this, they're going to give you an overall score. Now your goal is for the keyword to be in the green zone right here. This one has a medium score because the competition is very high, but the search volume is also very high. So we're going to look for keywords that are even more niche. And hopefully the competition will be lower also. What you can do is click over to related keywords and see if we find any. Now these keywords are also they're not really that good. The search volume is high, but the competition is also relatively high. You can go over to questions to find more keywords. And here we have a keyword that's pretty good. So I'm going to click on that. Now this one barely makes the green zone. The score is 61. Ideally you want it to be a bit higher, and the competition should be less. It's going to make it way easier for you, especially if you're a small channel, to rank for that keyword. I would suggest you look at your competitors and take keywords from their videos and search them here. It's going to give you more niche keywords based on that. But if you want a more in-depth guide, feel free to tell me in the comments and leave a like, and I'll make a video that's even more comprehensive than this one. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.